you'd like to see NASA to be the lead agency on this?
I would love for NASA to be the lead agency to make sure that it's done right, to do the research on how to do it. I would love for, I think that Marshall Space Flight Center here is the perfect agency within NASA to handle things like figure out how to do these space tugs and these long duration. We're talking about running ion thrusters for 10 months straight, no failures, right? And pumping a lot of fuel, and hey, there's a lot of technical challenges needed. But hey, we've got a lot of smart people, and I think they can do the job. And it goes for other things. I came up with a very crude orbital slingshot that I think works from the two-body methods that I've been using and from a simple energy calculation, which if Apophis is right, I'm pretty sure my energy numbers are all correct. But the reality is that slingshots are as much an art as they are engineering, and the people who designed the Messenger and the Cassini missions with all those slingshots and doing these things that people thought were impossible with the technologies we have, people like them need to figure out the real mission profile, what slingshots are really needed, and what modifications to Apophis are needed to achieve that. They can do it. They can do a much better job than shall we say, a dabbler like me. I may have a degree in physics, but I'm no rocket scientist. I'm sorry.
If people want to read more about the subject, where could they go?
I'm a space enthusiast, and I have a blog, a futurist blog called Ramblings on the Future of Humanity.blogspot.com. And on that, I have posted lots of articles on designs of habitats, on how to capture an asteroid, on how to do a mission to build solar power satellites out of it. I've got many things, some of which is, of course, being made obsolete every day by people who do more research, and hopefully I'll incorporate their ideas in future versions of those articles. But I have a good start, with how to considerations for solar power satellite design, considerations for habitat design, considerations for capturing asteroids. That's all on my blog. I think that this is an opportunity. I think this is an opportunity that shouldn't be passed up. And maybe Apophis isn't the right asteroid. There may be other ones that we could learn about a new asteroid tomorrow. We need to look and see what other asteroids are out there, what ones might be better choices. So there's a lot of things like that need to be done, but we need to do something. We need to take steps forward. And one way of solving the energy problems of this country and the global warming problems is simply to capture these hazardous objects that are flying around that are going to hit the Earth someday if we don't do something about it. Well, instead of pushing them away so that they miss us this year and maybe come back in a few more years, handing the problem to our children, let's capture them, turn them into resources that can make people, that can provide homes for billions of people, and make a few of us rich along the way. So let's take these potentially hazardous objects and turn them into profitable resources.